Are you excited to do this? Yes. Yeah, this is for you. I really like this hand-on learning kit. It does not only help in tripod grip, it also helps in motor skills as well, hand and eye coordination, which I really love. I'm always into all of this. I am love doing activities with her, and I will surely recommend this. The best part is their Super Learner badge and crown. It's really good. It will keep the kids motivated, and I think it's a very good idea. Instead of bribing them, you should always reward them. I always believe in it. So yeah, it's kudos to the team, and I really like this. People who love giving a lot of exposure to their kid instead of just giving phones, try these kits. They are really good. Rabia loved it. Thank you.